Namaste friends, welcome back to Feathersuit. In today's topic, we'll be seeing what is the sign of a bird when they get some illness or something like that. Okay, and also we should understand certain symptoms where what will be the symptoms if a bird is not doing that good and if it is not active. Uh, you know Through comments I get frequent messages, sir, my bird was active still yesterday and suddenly I saw him not that active, and they'll be having that puffed feathers and sleeping in one particular place within the cage and won't be sitting even on the perch also. So guys, first I'll say what will be the symptoms, why and what and how the bird gets diseased or certain illness. First one, let me say something like not eating food regularly. So you may not see the bird which is not doing that active may not eat the food regularly. So bird's mentality is like at least 2 or 3 minutes irrespective of bird, even if not they are eating, they pretend to do some thing, something like they pretend to as if they are eating some seeds or vegetables or whatever you have kept in the cage. Okay, and always sleeping either it all depends from the birds to birds. Certain birds will be just sitting quietly without doing any exercise or without making that noise, sitting with the puffed feathers. They'll be making themselves big with the help of feathers, and they'll be sitting. Then poor general appearance. So for example, what I'm saying is like you can see the birds now, they now wings is resting and always is very much active. So this type of general appearance won't be there, and always they'll be sitting like a moody, having that, showing that moody character. And sticky droppings below their vent area, complete watery droppings, and unusual colors. So for example, green, light green and dark green with little bit of white is a normal color of the bird on the daily basis of droppings. But when you see something like odd colors like complete yellow, or something like white, or something like white mixed with red, so some unusual colors also a sign, which is indirectly telling that bird is not doing that good and they are not active. And they will be they'll be like completely weak, and also you can observe when the bird is completely weak, even if it is a wild bird, and when they are active, when you keep your hand inside the cage, they have the tendency of that biting things. But having said that, the same bird, when they are facing this type of problem and completely weak, so you can see something like you can touch them, they allow you to touch, because they won't be having that strength to start fighting against you or repel against you. So why do you think the birds will be unwell? So here are the solution, guys. Why birds will be facing this type of problems? Not keeping the birds place clean. So as you can see here, so I have keep on telling in all my previous videos, so keep your birds place clean. That's the first and foremost thing, guys. If you are not keeping the birds place clean or cage clean, that will be because of their own poop, they might lead to some other complications. So please kindly clean the cage or regular interval, at least if possible thrice a month or once a week at least. Then not changing the water every day. Water plays a very vital role in bird's life, my dear friends. So do not delay. If not, at least try to change the water every alternative days. If you have kept a feeder like this, see, I have kept a water feeder, so I'll be cleaning at least once a day, if not twice a day. especially in winter season. I'll be irrespective of the climate outside in winter season, if it is a rainy or very cold, or because I stay in Bangalore, I get to see 3-4 types of weather at one particular time. So that is what I meant. So in winter I doesn't like to take any sort of chance. I'll be cleaning and changing the water twice a day. In summer though, once a day is more than enough. Okay. And bringing some new birds, for example, if you are bringing some new birds from the other place or from pet shop, by seeing their activeness and nature, without quarantine, if you are living with your well set birds in your aviary, so even that will lead to all this type of uh, complications. And not providing required supplements. So guys, you people might know me by this time. I try to give them natural supplements rather than making them depend on the English medicine or other syrups and everything. So if in case if you are new to the bird keeping, then you can follow my medical medicines for birds video, so that you get to know what medicine to be used at regular intervals. If not, make sure that you give all the required supplements, either protein, multivitamin, calcium and everything to the natural diet. So if you want to know more about natural diet, you can once again see the soft food video and seed mix video. You get handful information about what can be done possible naturally. Okay. So medications, like when it comes to medication for how to identify the bird, whether it is doing good or not, once again you need to see by droppings, and once again you need to see the way they behave inside the cage. For example, see, you can see the wings now, he is relaxing and he is scratching his feathers. So in the same way, cocktails are one birds, like cocktails, Africans, macaws and other big birds will keep their head behind and they'll be sleeping though. Yes, even birds are tend to take rest for a while, somewhere between 2 and 3, or once after they are full, once after their stomach is full. But not doing it for more than 1 hour, 2 hours, or always sleeping, then you need to see their poop also. And by default, if it is a puffed feather, then for sure you need to give them multivitamin. So any antibiotic of your choice, and which you feel that it is really good for bird, you can provide it. Having said that, when you see a watery droppings, so you are not supposed to start the medication the very next second. You need to wait for a while, change the diet. Even if it is not working, then you are supposed to give them Metrogyl. And also guys, if you are given excess spinach varieties, green leafy vegetables, green leaves, then birds are tend to give the watery droppings. Okay, it doesn't mean that they have loose motion, guys. So change the diet so that they you can get to see some different droppings as normal. Okay, so guys, this is about the topic how to identify the bird whether it is sick or not. Okay, so make sure that you follow all my videos at regular intervals, so that they are actually chain linked, they are interrelated and interconnected to each other. So why I came with this topic, because when you if you want to use medicine on particular birds, then you should know what are the possible symptoms what they have. So for knowing symptoms, if you watch this video is more than enough. So you can easily this video will guide you to the proper channel, so that you can treat the birds accordingly. Okay guys, and also thank you for giving an enormous support and response towards my previous videos, and for your kind support. And I am getting frequent calls, not only with respect to birds, since we are into the pandemic situation, and few states are into lockdown, and soon Bangalore also will be in a lockdown because of the uneasy situation and because of the health emergency. So I would like to tell each and everyone to be safe, spend maximum time without coming outside of your house, and to spend maximum time with your birds. So guys, as a bird keeper, and if you are having a keen interest on birds, this is a right time to spend quality time with them. So do not neglect this pandemic, because it has been the mutant COVID virus has been spreading all over India now, and possibly in other countries also. So make sure that do not go against it, and follow the protocol which is given by your concerned government authorities. And this is Chetan signing off from Feather Suit. Stay home, stay safe.